Senior Kids, once again I welcome you all on yet another class, and this is our circle time. So every week during Fridays we have circle time, where some days we are going to we will be listening stories, some days we discuss about the inventors, sometimes we discuss about the skills. Today we are going to see a sports. Okay, we know many sports, even we play many sports such as cricket. We have seen WWE, that is wrestling, and then boxing. We know many sports, but today we are going to see another sports that is called golf. What is this? Golf. Golf. It seems that you have you ever heard about this game, golf? But I am sure that you had seen this game in the television. Okay, today I am going to tell you about the game golf. Okay, every game is played in particular place. For example, cricket is played in a ground, in a yard, and boxing is being conducted in a ring. Okay, so there are many places where games being conducted. Table tennis are being played on the table. Tennis is being played on the ground with tennis court. So this golf game is also played in a vast area that is covered with the grass, and that place is called golf course. That place is called golf course. And what are the equipments that is being used in playing the golf is ball, golf tee, club, and of course the balls and even the bats. So these are the things that is being used to play the game called golf. And in the golf course there will be holes. Okay, holes, either 9 holes or 18 holes. What the player has to do, he has to, with the help of club. Club is it's something like a bat. In cricket we use an object to hit the ball, and that is called bat. In the same way, in the golf course, an object is used to hit the ball, and that is called club. So what does the player do? The player hits the ball and hits the ball to the successive hole. Successive hole means a hole will be there in front of him, and he has to hit the ball in the hole. Okay, and that means the hole will be in the golf course. Okay, now I am going to show you some pictures of golf, sports golf. Okay, and these are the balls. So it is being played with many balls. Balls will be there. A person will be appointed to pick the balls when the player is being played. Okay, next, golf tee. Golf tee. What is meant by golf tee? Golf tee, it is a small stand that is being fixed on the ground of golf course, and the player will place the ball on the golf tee and hit the ball. Okay. Next, as I said that it is played in a golf course. Golf course is a place that is fully covered with grass. It is totally covered with the grass. As you could see that the place is looking beautiful with green grasses, and they have many holes in them. Okay. So this is also another picture of golf course. Golf course. So what the player has to do, there will be 9 holes or the 18 holes. The player has to hit the ball to the successive holes, the hole that is in front of them. Okay. Next I am going to show you the picture of a person, a famous player who is being awarded for the golf. Actually, golf is a precision club and ball sport. It is a precision club and ball sport. So I am going to show you the picture of Jeev Milkha Singh. He is Jeev Milkha Singh is an Indian professional golfer. Okay, he is an Indian professional golfer who became the first player from India to join the European Tour. Tour means a game conducted over there. He won 4 events on the European Tour. 4 events. He won 4 events, and he won Arjuna Award for game golf also. So he is a player who won Arjuna Award for golf sports. Okay. Not only this, he had won many awards. He is one of the famous Indian golfer. So those who play golf, we call them golfer. Those who play cricket, we call them cricketer. Okay, those who participate in wrestling, we call them wrestler. So Jeev Milkha Singh is a golfer. Okay, kids. Now I'm sure that you had got some knowledge about the game golf. Golf is a precision club and ball sport. Precision means it's a very neat, minute, clear game. Okay, precision game of club and ball sport, and it is being played on the golf course. The place where golf is played is called golf course. And what are the things used is golf balls, golf tee, and club, and of course the bag that is being used to put all the things in there. Okay, and what the player has to do, he has to hit the ball on the successive hole. Okay, the golf course is, there will be 9 holes or 18 holes. So the golf player has to hit the ball in the hole. Okay, children. So today we had discussed about a sports called golf, and I know that now you'll be very aware of game golf. Okay, next time when you see this game in television, I hope that you'll be identifying what game is this. Okay, children, until I meet you in the next new week, it's you, Auntie, saying bye, take care, and happy weekend.